Hello everyone here. Today I'm going to show you how to create an infinite tunnel loop in After Effects tutorial. It's very easy and let's go. Okay, create a new composition, make it Full HD and 10 seconds and press OK. Layer, new, solid. Okay, it doesn't matter the color and press OK. Now, effect, generate, for color generate, and I will choose the blue one, dark one. Yes, also blue. Yes, also blue. And okay, make sure that you are not on the solid, then go to shape. Now choose rounded rectangle tool, double click and scale it. Yes, go to anchor point, control double click to make this point on the middle, then go to align to make the shape on the middle, like yes. Now go to add and repeater, yes. Now go to repeater 1, transform repeater 1 and position X, make it 0, like this. Yes. Then go to copies and first go to scale and scale your shape like this. Maybe 70 will be good. Yes. Yes, like now copy it and copy your shape like this. Okay, we want to animate our shape, so make sure that you are on the first frame, go to offset and add keyframe, move forward 5 seconds and make offset -5. Yes, like this. Okay, now let's see what's going on here. I think we need to move this point like this. Yes. Yes. And also offset, make it -7. Yes, much better. Yes, like this. Okay. Now we will go to rotation and keyframe. Yes, and make it 107 like this. Yes, yes, like this. Yes. Oh. Now go to add and trim path. Yes. Now make sure also that you are on the first frame, then go to start and make it 100. Add keyframe, then go to 2 seconds and make start 0 like this. Yes. Yes. Now go to effect, stylize and glow. Yes. Then Control D to copy. Yes, like this. Okay, I hope you enjoyed by this tutorial. If you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.